Whoa. Nice cock. He's trying to get the fuck out of here. Someone was drinking in here. Whoa, hey. I'm trying to have illegal butt stuff. Okay. Someone's gonna walk in here and they're gonna touch me, boy. No, I'm so tempted. God, I don't think I should ever get full body. It's gonna be bad. Ah! Ray! Is that the Fortnite Jeep? He's got the purple from the storm and the yellow from the open screen. I look like Jonesy from Fortnite. I can't open this. Okay. What the fuck? Oh. Alright, you wanna drink it there? Sweet. Tastes like metal? A little bit of aluminum in there. There's a little bit of. We drifted the other Jeep. Not a fucking Wrangler. Wranglers are the Jeep that tips over, not Cherokees. Cherokees don't flip. These do. There's plenty of evidence. Alright, I think we need proof. So, we're gonna go home, fix the Jeep, and we're gonna go around the same corner at 100 and try to make the corner and see which one flips first. Okay, no, we'll start at 60 and we'll go up till one of them. I'm gonna perform testicular torsion on you! What? It's just a Jeep thing! Yeah. Almost twice. See, that would catch us if we flipped. If we an ambulance too, it'd be fine. It's close enough. Oh, that shit's not working. What the? Is this the one you're using? Yeah. Are you seriously putting 93? What? I know, I don't want to put it on. Brian, stop. Ain't no fucking way. No way people actually put this on their car unironically. That's not safe. Just you don't even need to rotate it around. Huge ass fuel cell, big ass fuel pump, dude. This thing's fucking wicked. No, come over here. Look at that. Ooh. It's just what holds the gas tank up. That's why I don't put much gas in it. Well, you see, my mom's car's worse, so. And that passed inspection. You about ready to retard tonight with these goddamn motherfuckers? What are you looking at, you commie fuck? You red-blooded motherfucker! Go back where you came from talking about that super lit. Bullshit. Sounds like it is. The Jeep looks like it's breaking. What the fuck was that creaking in?
Oh, it's just the thing dragging against the wall. Oh my god, it is just rust. I thought he was lying. It's made of rust. What? The fucking underbody trail.
Oh my god.
Safety glasses?
Engage safety switch!
Root from some cartoon. Things will be different there. The sun will rise from here. Then I'll be 10